Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be using dip powders from MadKin Beauty. Now I'm just not ready yet to let go of those beautiful fall Thanksgiving colors, so I thought we would just play with some colors today from MadKin Beauty and create a fall mani with some leaves and some stamping, pull in some browns, and then use a really beautiful glitter. Now this color that we're using right now, Birthday Suit, is actually a retired color, and I feel so bad. I did not realize that until I was done editing the video and then putting in the links to the dip powders in that description box below in the video. And I'm like, oh no, where is this color? But it is retired, but there is a comparable color that MadKin Beauty has to offer. It is called Just a Hint. The only difference is it has a very slight shimmer to it. This one does not have a shimmer, but overall, any color that you get from MadKin Beauty or any neutral tone that you pair with the colors that we're using today are going to complement each other really well. So now we're starting off with Brownie Points, and if you are looking for brown, this one is going to be your go-to because it has like a slight warmness to it, and it doesn't have like that orangey kind ofness to it, like a reddish orange to it. It just has like the perfect undertones to it. Sometimes when you're working with browns, they can have like a lot of orange flashback in it. This one does not. It's just a very slight, warm, beautiful, almost like chocolatey hot cocoa-ness going on to it, but it's a very pretty brown. And if you're looking for a solid brown, this is a great brown to add to your collection. So we are doing the gel method today. I'm going to go ahead and do 2 coats of each. And then when we get to that glitter, we're going to do 1 full dip and then hand place to help reduce some of that bulk. But overall, these colors are so fun. All right, so let's dive into these beautiful powders and see them in action. And then I'm going to pop back in just a little bit.
Said hi, 'cause I was way too shy. What would have happened if you just had passed me by the night? We keep on drinking, keep on wishing for someone out there to hold. All those little moments, the bites you didn't catch me looking over your shoulder, just at the right time. Those little moments all led me to you. Only God knew about all those little moments. Well, maybe it was fate or a part of his plan. Giving me you was like giving me another chance. Thank God that you said hi, 'cause I was way too shy. What would have happened if you just had passed me by the night? We keep on drinking, keep on wishing for someone out there to love. All those little moments, the bites you didn't catch me looking over your shoulder, just at the right time. Those little moments all led me to you. Only God knew about all those little moments.
All right, so we're hand placing some glitter on this accent nail here. I want to do like a waterfall type of style where that glitter is at the tip, kind of radiating down, just to add a little pop of sparkle to this nail here. So originally I was tapping on with that brush with the sparkle, kind of focusing on the smaller pieces of glitter, but I did not like how that was turning out. So now we are hand placing some, and I am just focusing on some of the bigger pieces and then hand placing some of those smaller pieces of glitter. I really like the combination of brown and like this gorgeous aqua teal. So I went ahead and cured that for 30 seconds. And now we're going to go ahead and add some more gel base to here. And we're going to continue adding more sparkle to this nail until I am satisfied with what I was going for. Now, I know originally the brush wasn't working because I was picking up, I think, too much acrylic. So now that I have a lot of the majority of the finer pieces on this paper towel, it was super easy to tap the brush into that paper towel and really pick up all those little glitters that I was trying to do the first time. But overall, it was really easy to do. And even though it did not work out with that first step when I was trying to add the glitter, it all came together at the end, and it has the perfect amount of sparkle that I was going for. I cured it for 30 seconds, and then I'm going to go ahead right away and just complete this nail, and I'm going to do a layer of gel base just to seal in all those glitters, so then I do not need to worry about applying the gel base on this nail at the end because this one is already sealed. Plus, I felt like it brought those glitters to life, so I had a really good visual on what that looked like after I applied that gel base. All right, filing and buffing, all I'm doing is I'm getting right under that press on there, right under that nail, and I'm just cleaning up the sidewalls there, and then I'm just gonna gently reshape just a little bit, but that's all I needed to do. Those glitters are laying flat, so I am not buffing directly on top of those glitters at all. I just cleaned up the sidewalls and the free edge. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead, that filing and buffing is all done. I did the rest off camera. I'm gonna apply a layer of gel base on the rest of the nails, and I'm gonna cure for a full 30 seconds. Now we're going to add some stamping. So you saw this plate before on my channel. This is that one plate. If you wanted or needed one fall plate, this would be the plate because it has all your fall needs in one little plate. So I'm going to mix it up today. We're going to use 2 stamping polishes here from Maniology. The stamping plate is also from Maniology as well. So once you place those 2 colors on, you go ahead and scrape it, and you do want to work fairly quickly. So once you scrape it, you want to go ahead and roll your jelly stamper there. So what this did using the 2 polishes, it gave it like an ombre effect, which I thought was really cool and just something super fun that you can do to change up your stamping game. And then I used that lint-free roller to get rid of any extra stamping area that I was not going to use. And now I'm just rocking it back and forth on the nail, and voila, you have the perfect stamping nail. Also, we do have a layer of gel base that we cured on this nail, which gave it a tacky surface, so then it really helped the stamping image transfer and stick down to that nail. So this right here is from Maniology. This is pure genius. It's a cotton ball grabber, so you can put acetone on there and then clean your stamping plate. Then you are not getting your hand full of like nail polish or acetone. It is, in my opinion, like the best invention ever for stamping. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and do this again, and I wanted to put some stamping on the brown nail. Now, when you put the stamping on the brown nail, since it is so dark, it looked really awesome, and it looked like it was like embossed in a way. It was like the coolest thing ever, and I'm really glad I experimented putting this stamping over this dark color. And now we're going to go ahead and do a layer of gel base. That's when you're really going to see the stamping come to life. Also, I am using gel base, and it is not smearing the stamping polish, which is a plus. All right, so I finished the rest of the stamping off camera, and now we're sealing everything in with gel top coat, and I cured for a full 60 seconds. Here's the finished mani. I ended up doing stamping on that pinky brown nail as well, but overall it's so fun. It's like kind of like a hidden image almost on those darker nails. Like I said, it almost looks like embossed on there, and it is so pretty and just something different, and I really liked how it turned out. That middle nail there with the leaf stamping is also really pretty. These dip powders are everything. There's something about these like rich brown colors with that pop of that perfect glitter, which is just so pretty with that aqua turquoise color and then the rich brown jewel tones in there. overall, really pretty. These powders were super easy to work with. I really liked both elements of keeping it simple without stamping and adding stamping, so options are endless. And then we have that really fun sparkly glitter, which kind of tied everything together. So everything that was used in today's mani can be found in that description box below. If you're interested in MadKin Beauty, definitely check them out. There's some amazing colors. And if you're looking to get started into stamping, Maniology is definitely the way to go. I've tried so many different stamping plates and got very frustrated with stamping until I tried the Maniology stamping plates. I feel like they're engraved a little bit deeper, so then you can get a really nice image transfer onto that jelly stamper. And the plates are great quality and they're not sharp or anything like that. Also, the polishes are super pigmented as well, and they're very fast drying, so they work great for stamping. So if you've tried stamping in the past and got frustrated, definitely check out Maniology because it is a game changer. All right, so again, everything that we use in today's mani can be found in that description box below. And stay tuned, there will be another upload for tonight at 7 p.m. and I'll see you in the next one.